Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a really exciting product to share with you guys. It is a skincare product. It is a mask. You guys know I love my skincare, and it's really exciting because it's something that anyone can use. It's for all skin types, but particularly I know if you have dry skin, I feel like some masks just do not benefit you as much because they dry your skin out. This is not like that. This is a really good hydrating mask. Perfect if you have dry skin, and if you have oily skin or combination skin, this is good to add some good nutrients. This is also going to clean out your pores. It's going to purify your face, and it has a lot of good nutrients for your skin. If you're thinking I'm talking about something really expensive, stop right there. I'm talking about a really affordable, drugstore affordable product. I'm talking about the Biovène Barcelona charcoal magnetic mask. You guys, I've been using this for a while, and I've talked about this on my Instagram as well. But if you're someone that loves luxurious skincare, don't go anywhere. Just stop right there. I love luxurious skincare. I love just getting things that are good for your skin, and I'm willing to spend the extra money for that because I think skin is so important. And if you've watched any of my skincare videos, you guys have seen a lot of high-end skincare products in those videos. But Biovène is definitely on par with those luxurious brands. In those skincare videos that I've shared with you guys before, I've always talked about the Biovène Black peel-off mask. It's this one right here. I have it right here for you guys. I always talk about this, and I have a bunch of luxurious products, and then I talk about this with those luxurious products for a reason, because I love this brand. Biovène Barcelona is so freaking amazing. I'm not even kidding you guys, because they always have really good masks, and I've loved this one. This has been my all-time favorite, and it still is a big-time favorite for a while. But now this little baby came into my life, and I still have it in the box, nice in the box for you guys to show you. But it's a charcoal magnetic mask, and this one is so luxurious. It's better than a lot of my purifying masks. A lot of purifying masks, they'll dry your skin out, or they make your skin feel tight and dry. This one does not. This one is so... We're going to talk about what comes in this little kit. I'm going to show you how to apply it. Then I'm going to tell you some of my favorite things and the reasons why I love this. And I'm just going to give you my review that way. Okay, so in here comes the charcoal magnetic mask itself, the magnet, and a spatula. Okay, there's also a little bag that's full of these little cloths that make it so easy, you guys, and mess free for you to put on your mask. So basically, here you got some cloths. It's going to make everything mess free. So the first thing that you do is you definitely want to get out your charcoal magnetic mask, and you want to use a spatula to apply this all over the face. I like to apply it all over, in between the eyes, on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my chin, on my nose, just everywhere that I want it to be purified, unclogged, get some nutrition in there for your skin. After that, you're going to let it sit for 10 minutes, you guys. 10 minutes. You can dance around, mess around, text, watch YouTube videos, whatever you want for 10 minutes. After that, you're gonna come back and you're gonna grab one of these little cloths. In the little demo, I wanted to show you how the magnet really extracts the mask and makes it really mess free. So I didn't use this little cloth, but you definitely want to use this little cloth. This is what's gonna make it mess free. The whole purpose is this little thing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this little cloth, you can have your magnet, you're gonna lay your cloth over top, and then you can kind of wrap it around the handle and grab the handle and use it like this. So basically, everything in your mask, it's going to become magnetized onto the magnet, and it's gonna be on this little cloth, so that when you're done, you can just wrap it around, take off the cloth, and throw it in the garbage, and it's seriously so mess free. So, as I was saying, you're going to grab your magnet with the cloth, you're going to put it close to your skin, and you're going to start going in circular motions, and it's going to start taking off the mask. It is just so cool and amazing how it just kind of flies off of your face, gets stuck onto the magnet, and you can just take off all of it in your entire face that way. You do not need water, you guys. You don't need water for this mask. It is so great. It's so travel friendly that way, and it's really amazing. It's really cool. Once you're done taking it all off with the magnet, you're gonna notice that there's still some juiciness left in your skin, and it feels almost like a serum left behind on your skin. You definitely want to massage that and press that into your skin. That's where you're going to get all of your really healthy benefits and your healthy ingredients and things that you want on your face. So you're gonna have iron, vitamin E, there's some lavender oil. It's just, that's where you're gonna get a lot of your skin nutrition is what I'm gonna call it. And you definitely wanna press that into your skin, and that's going to leave your skin feeling so plumpy. It is absolutely ridiculous. So let's talk about why I love this. Okay, first off, I already said it is mess free, you guys. Little cloths really make it so that it doesn't get everywhere. Okay, 2, you use a spatula and a magnet, no water. So you're not gonna use your fingers, you're not gonna use your water. If you're someone that doesn't like using your fingers for skincare, you have your spatula, you have your magnet there, you will not need water. So it's really friendly that way. 3, that serum that's left on your skin seriously does leave your skin feeling plumpy, clean, plumpy, and juicy. And I honestly, you guys, when people would say leave your skin feeling plumpy, I didn't really understand it until I tried this mask. You guys are just gonna have to try it. Seriously, my skin looked plumpier, it felt plumpier, it felt juicy in a good way where it just felt healthy and like I was getting a lot of nutrition into my skin. But yet when I looked really close to my skin, I feel like it did clean out my pores, it did really purify my skin and do everything that it's supposed to do, but still giving you that hydration and that smoothness to your skin that you need, that quench that your skin needs. My skin felt quenched after this is basically what I'm trying to say. Also, you guys, I did notice that my skin stayed like that for a couple of days. Like I really noticed my skin feeling less dry for days after. It wasn't like a one-time thing, like the moment after you see a difference. You definitely see a difference right after, but you also continue to see a difference throughout the week in your skin. And I didn't feel like I had to pile on so much other skincare products because my skin was already super hydrated. It was super healthy looking and healthy feeling, which is really important. I really want some soft skin. I want it to feel soft, to look soft, to be soft. And this mask really did that for me. So you guys, the best part and my favorite part about this is the price, you guys. It is so affordable. You can find this whole kit at Walmart for $15. Correction, $14.97, you guys. This whole kit for $14.97. What? Guys, that is amazing. I know this video sounds nothing but positive, but I don't do reviews on just one masks very often. Like I will talk about masks that I'm loving, stuff like that. But this one I felt like really deserved its own video where I really talk to you guys about it because it is very affordable and you can find good products at the drugstore. And this is one of those amazing products that actually does better than a lot of my high-end masks. I would seriously pick this over a lot of my expensive luxurious masks because it just feels better and I notice a difference right away. I like my mask to show me that it came to play. Like it came to do something. It didn't just come for it to do something down the road. Like I appreciate that it will do something down the road, but I want to be able to notice it after the first 2 times at least of using it. And this one I noticed something after the first time. I even had like all my friends hooked on it, like my friend, her husband, my brother-in-law, we all put it on and I have a picture of that and it was just kind of fun and it really does do something for your skin. It's not just one of those products where you can't notice a difference. That's it, I guess. That's it for my review on this little mask here. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this one or if you've tried this one, you guys. I've talked about this for so long. This is such an old favorite, you guys. I've talked about it for so long. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried it or what your favorite mask is. Let me know down below. I love you guys. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them for me. And I guess we'll just see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.